Good morning. Hey guys, it's 8 a.m. and we're getting ready for my Zoom class right now. It's English 380, which is like modern drama. So we read like plays and stuff. I'm still waiting for the host to start the meeting.
I've been working 9 to 5. You've been always on my mind. Yeah.
Hi guys, so currently trying to like import my videos from my phone onto a hard drive because I am surprisingly somehow out of storage already. I mean, like, in hindsight, coming to London with like no space on my phone was not the smartest idea because I take a billion photos. But we're doing that, then I'm gonna get ready, and today we're gonna go to a little market, and this is my first time thrifting here. Of course, it took me a week to get out to the thrift shops, but or the charity shops. I think that's might be what they call it here. I don't know, but I am beyond excited to do that. The rest of the day, I only had one class, which was English 380 modern drama, which is not really a class I would typically take, but so far I'm enjoying it a lot. So I'm just gonna get ready. I have a meeting later, but we might just stop at like a little cafe or something to take the meeting, and then we have a group dinner tonight. But other than that, we're gonna be checking out Camden Market, which my roommate's friend recommended, so hopefully it's good.
The way you move on like you do, give me the West Side blues, yeah. Cause the way you move on like you do, give me the West Side blues, yeah.
Okay, I tried a little braiding technique last night, and I'm trying out different things for my hair. I didn't change that much. I just like cut a little bit of it and stuff, but I'm trying to find out better braiding techniques now that it's shorter and stuff. But also, like, a big part of me doesn't want to put in too much effort because it's supposed to rain, and I feel like my hair just doesn't keep the shape that it used to, which is kind of a bummer. But I'm wearing this today from my mom, which will probably do nothing, but like I was thinking maybe it'll protect it from the rain a little bit. I'll put that on later. Hello again from another angle, just putting a little bits of makeup on. But I also just wanted to say I'm gonna get on replying to you guys even more, but thank you so much to everyone who's been so sweet, who's from like the area-ish. I feel like I've been getting so many sweet DMs and like recommendations for places. So of course, if you've been to London or from London, I would love to hear your guys' recommendations specifically for like coffee or, you know, thrift shops or anything, just your favorite things here. But everyone's been so sweet, so I just wanted to say thank you for that. I love looking at the comments.
Give me the West Side blues, yeah.
Feeling the eyeliner today. You know what's really weird, guys, is the past 2 days I've had 8 a.m.s, but for some reason it's well, okay, duh, Melanie, it's because you just moved here, but I've been excited to wake up at 8 a.m. here. Hasn't been too bad.
Could never ease my mind how I wanted to, yeah. I just wanna know.
Look at the decorating. Cute, right? Hello. This is the outfit for today. Low-key, necklaces be looking weird layered like this, but I'm too lazy to take these ones off because they're my permanent ones. Rings for today. This thing. Shoes. Also, look how cute my roommate decorated. She literally packed all of this. She brought a freaking sun lamp. This girl brought so much stuff.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Jamel.
Okay. We've arrived. Are these real? I don't understand. Look at the seating. Look at the selection. Guys, I love the jackets with these on it, and they have so many for like $20. Oh no. Oh no. Sister just dropped it down that crack.
What's the hit?
I'll get it in a second, but we're at this cafe because we're gonna have a little meeting. Guys, look how pretty it is.
I love it.
Way you move on like you do.
Girlie found a lot. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, we're at this place that I never knew existed called VSCO, and they have so much stuff, and I keep getting confused by the conversion and thinking things are cheap. Sometimes I'm like, wow, coffee is $3, but it's actually not. But I'm trying to tone down what I'm buying, because first off, I have no room. Second off, I need to stop spending money. But this place is so cool, and when I see places that they don't have in the US here, I'm like, guys, I want these. Guys, this is our first time at a Primark, and I found this cool scarf for £6 here, and I just paid £16 for it at this other store, so I'm a little upset. This place is insane though. Look at my bag. It's falling, like it's been through it because it's rainy. Hey. This jacket, Wrangler jacket.
That's cute. That is so
We went to this like massive denim store. And then I got this scarf. Everyone be wearing scarves here. Then I also got this scarf, which is stupid because it was $16. And this one's exactly the same. And it was $6. And I keep saying dollars, but I mean pounds. Then I got this shirt that's cool and kind of see-through and like looks like water marble. And that's my little mini haul.
Yeah, I just wanna go home. Sitting on the interstate 5. Driving could never ease my mind how I wanted to. Yeah, I just wanna know, will you stay with me on the west side? Will you be my baby when the sunrise? Whoa, yeah.
Hey friends, currently hiding out in the bathroom because everyone's asleep. But that is the end of today's day in the life as a student studying abroad in London. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for coming along with me. I love it when you come with me. So make sure to subscribe to see more of life here in London, and make sure to let me know what other videos you want to see. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.